My name is Rachel Schmidt. I'm the station manager at TV10 this year, and I'm a senior. TV10 is the on-campus TV station at Eau Claire. We are student-run, so that means that all of our exec members are students, all of our show workers are students, and our show hosts. So we work to produce, at this time, 7 original shows with original student content, and then we also are involved in sports broadcasting. So there's the station manager, and then there are 4 other executive directors. So there's the creative director who leads the creative team, the advertising director who leads the ad team, the programming director who is in charge of making sure all of the original content gets edited, who makes sure we get new movies ordered and put onto my TV10 for students to watch. And then there's also the production director who is in charge of all of the streaming and production side of things with athletics. Yeah, we don't travel or anything. We are very much based on campus. So our studio is in the basement of Towers. We don't travel, but we do have the all-nighter every semester. So that's kind of our big event. It's a movie marathon, and people who are on campus can have the opportunity to answer trivia questions and win prizes. So, individual members have the opportunity to work different shows, to create content for those shows. They'll learn video editing skills, how to shoot video, and some really valuable skills that they might not necessarily think relates to their major or to their life, but in the long run they'll see are actually pretty important. TV10 is open to anybody, any major, any minor. We have had people from journalism majors to biology majors. It's very, very open. Obviously some teams like the sports team or the news team tends to draw more journalism majors and people with those sorts of interests, but anybody who wants to can be a part of TV10 and we'll find a spot for you. Every semester we have open house just down in the studio. We post about it on social media. We try to talk about it with people at Bob, but people can just come on down, fill out a short application, and then chat with the people who lead the teams that they're interested in, and then we'll figure out sort of where they should end up. So every Sunday we have general meetings at 7 p.m. in the Tower studio, and then on top of that, members are required to work a show every other week, and then they also sort of work on their own projects that have been assigned to them by their team leaders or their exec staff members. So we're really flexible as far as people having other commitments or other things come up. As long as people communicate with us, we're pretty open with that. I think my favorite part of being a member of TV10 has to be the whole family aspect of it. There are currently 70 members in the org, which is the most that we've had in a while, but these people are who I spend all of my free time with. It's a great group of people, and I wouldn't change anything about that from my college experience.